They judge me, but they don't know that I've been broken. I'm just hustling. And I grip this man, don't lose your man. I kill them, trust me. And these niggas fooling bitches change, so I'm not trusting. Don't say you love me, this shit get ugly.
What up, y'all? So it's early in the morning. I'm finna, I gotta wash my car. And then I'm gonna go get a haircut, all type of stuff. But, yeah, I got a long day. Yeah, I'm finna wash my car, go get my haircut, do a lot of other stuff. Cause it's dirty. It's dirty. But, yeah. Alright. Oh yeah, I gotta show y'all before I wash it though, before and after. So yeah, I see. But you know. Little kids, but yeah, it ain't too dirty, but it's dirty enough. So I'm finna wash it. Alright, y'all, we over here with the dog.
His brother, he looks just like him, but he got a smaller white patch. He got a bigger white patch. I mean, a bigger white patch.
We chilling though.
There you go. Mama's here now. Mama's got a red now. She on it now. She's strong, man.
I gotta try it.
Yeah, son, too. Yeah, like, that's good. Watch him go way out. Where the other yours?
You think he's slick?
That day, I'm all the way around the one in the backyard.
Boy, Bugatti looks so good standing up like that.
Beauty see him now.
Hey.
That's why we're going over that side. Yeah, Beauty ready to just stay over there.
For real.
Dottie too. Look, they ready to stick their head behind the gate. Beauty see him. You see that pole though?
Yeah, she ready to hop over.
Yeah, that's your dog pole.
Come here.
No, no Beauty. You going to yours, Beauty? Beauty. You going to yours?
Well, that shit look hard when they in the grave.
I just thought it was your phone.
Hey.
That's why I can't wait to go get my shit get fenced in over there.
Yep.
That shit been hella hard. So I need to shoot a YouTube video. And my yard's so big in there. Bugatti. Get your ass back over here, Bugatti.
He jumped.
You going to see that little fish?
Hey, he slick as a motherfucker too, ain't he?
There's so much to what it gets into. Rocco, no. They paying for it tomorrow. Watch. I'm taking their ass all in. I'm gonna do that whole back fence right there. I'm gonna do a YouTube. I'm gonna have them come clean that motherfucking yard up.
Yeah, they're gonna be so hard.
That shit looks so clear. That one looks like a real motherfucking real camera. This dude's all do this to us. Get away from this water. Get away from this water. You're already overloaded. Get away from this water. Get out. Get out. Get out my cage. Get out. Come on, Draco. You don't see nothing water, man. Give me shit.
Ice cookies.
Now you say you want.
Thought I was locked out, yeah. Yeah, we finna check on the puppies and see if they on. They chill. Hey, puppy. They so bad. They just got through eating. Real bad. He bad as a man, so.
Bean dog got a little pack about his bean. His dog got a pack about his bean. Bean pack about his bean. His dog.
That's the puppy's moment right there.
Oh, when you see the other one, you gonna want him. That nigga fat as a motherfucker too.
See,
Bro, come on, you gonna once you see the dog, you gonna want the dog. It look just like him. Bean just went to his dog, got his ears clipped. Yeah, they short. There ain't gonna be no big dog.
just got it.
Oh, what's going on with Lion?
Yeah, this where they trying to jump the gate. It's a little white dog back here.
Right here. Yeah.
I don't know why she ain't coming out. Yeah, there was the dogs and stuff. I'm shooting as much footage as I can. Yeah, y'all. We grinding. We on it. Finna, I don't know, me and Yanni might do a video tonight. I don't know. You know. But yeah, stay tuned.
They judge me, but they don't know that I've been broken. I'm just hustling. And I grip this man, don't lose your man, I kill him, trust me. And these niggas fooling bitches change, so I'm not trusting. Don't say you love me, this shit get ugly.